AI tools that you need to know about. First up, unleash your creativity with these amazing tools. DALL-E 2, transform text into stunning images in seconds. MidJourney, perfect for generating surreal and artistic visuals. Jasper AI, a writing assistant that helps you craft compelling content. Runway ML, bring your creative ideas to life with AI-powered video editing. Stay on top of your game with these productivity powerhouses. Notion AI, automate note-taking and task management. Grammarly, perfect your writing with real-time grammar and style suggestions. Otter.ai, transcribe meetings and interviews with ease. Zapier, connect your apps and automate workflows effortlessly. Developers, these AI tools are here to save you time and effort. GitHub Copilot, your coding co-pilot for suggesting and writing code. TabNine, AI-powered auto-completion for faster development. DeepCode, debugging and code quality check. ChatGPT, your go-to AI assistant for answering questions and brainstorming. Wombo Dream, create fun AI-generated art from your ideas. AI Dungeon, dive into interactive storytelling powered by AI. With these incredible AI tools, 2024 is the year to revolutionize how you work, create, and live. Explore, innovate, and let these tools empower you to achieve more than ever before. Stay tuned and stay inspired.